Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my sidekicks for another video. So happy you're here. If you're new, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. This is Zena. We bring you subscription box unboxings, shopping hauls, out for the day, and so much more. Please stick around, hit that subscribe, hang out with us. It helps us to keep doing this. For today, I am sharing my October Sips By box. I love Sips By. This is a personalized tea subscription. It is a company based in Austin, Texas, and it's a multi-brand, personalized, yes, I know twice now I said it, personalized 3 times, subscription box. And by that, it means that you can choose loose leaf tea, bag tea, black tea, decaf tea, whatever teas you like, a mixture of all of those, which is what I tend to go for. But you can get the teas that you love the most sent to your door every single month. It is $16 a month. That means you usually get 16 or more cups of tea and 4 different types of teas. And they have all different brands, many that you would probably recognize. Brands like Stash, Nepal, Davidson. I have Churchill's that I'm drinking right now. The whole room smells like apple strudel, apple strudel. This is an Oolong tea, and it is a loose tea. And they even gave me tea bags to put it in. So I had my own little tea bags, just dump it right in here. The whole room smells amazing, and this is like a dessert tea, but I drink it all the time. It tastes so good. So I've already had 3 cups. You can tell I fill this bag up pretty nicely, and I still have enough for probably 1 or 2 more in here. And this came in my September box. It's so good. Now that I have it this close to me, I have to taste it. I don't even have to add sweetener, but you can. So good. Love it. Okay, what else? The Republic of Tea is another brand. So many. Okay. I do, of course, have a discount for you if you want to give it a try, but let's get right into my October box so I can talk a little bit more about it. So here's what I see as soon as I open it. You can see that I have my own personalized note card that tells me all about the teas that are going to be inside my box. So first up, you get, like I said, a little personalized card that says made for Laura. And it says, it's the beginning to feel a lot like fall. October's here, and it brings crisp mornings, beautiful leaves, and sweater sleeves wrapped around a steaming cup of tea. And my teas this time, okay, so here you can see all the different kinds. As I said, you get 4. The first one is by Stash. So I get 4 of those. And we're going to talk about that one first. And this is a coconut mango oolong. This will tell you all you need to know about what to do with this tea. So it's going to tell me that 1 bag per 8-ounce water. You steep it for 3 to 5 minutes in 170 to 100 degree water. And this is an oolong tea, orange peel, natural pineapple, coconut flavor, natural mango flavor. So this sounds like an amazing tropical tea. I can't wait to try this one next. That's the first one. Next, I have a nighttime tea. This is Puka Nighttime Organic Tea. It says a dreamy bed of oat flower, lavender, and lime flower. This is, you steep this one at 212 degrees for 15 minutes. So this one's a little bit longer. This one is a caffeine-free tea. That's why, of course, it's a sleep time tea, right? And it says, let the hush replace the chatter as you fall into a restful calm, a sleepy crush of oat flower, soothing lavender, and the silky sweet lime flower. It says sweet dreams. Okay. We have a organic India tea next. This one is a Tulsi Masala chai. This one you steep for 5 to 10 minutes in 208 degrees. And it says organic Krishna Tulsi, organic Rama Tulsi, and organic vanilla Tulsi. Organic Assam black tea. Everything's organic, so I'll stop saying that word. Cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, black pepper, clove, and nutmeg, and mace. Organic mace. Make up this tea. I love chai tea, so I'll be interested to try this one. It's a stress relieving and enlivening chai. Can you see that at the bottom? Okay, and I have one more. This one is an energy tea. So we go from stress relieving, and we have sleepy time, and we have a coconut mango, and now I have the energy tea by Blue Lady. So that's the last one in here. And this is a Blue Lady black. You steep this one for 4 minutes and 212, and it says this is a coffee level caffeine. No wonder, energy, right? Get ready for a jolt. Zest is the tea industry's answer to a coffee level cuppa. Try it hot or chilled. So this one is my energy drink. So good variety, right? We've got everything from got to get through the day to need to relieve some stress to, okay, need to crash now, right? Help me go to sleep. And then this fun little tropical one is like, take me away. I'm covering all the bases with these teas. So I like this combination. I love tea. That's my thing. I generally drink more tea than I drink anything else, and I love it in all flavors. I like it iced. I like it hot. I like it all the ways. So tea is my jam. Let me know what you thought and what your favorite teas are down below. So many of you have shared your favorite teas with me, and I have loved it. And I have learned so many more flavors and have appreciated it. So thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I will put all the information for Sips By down below. I think this is such an amazing subscription. You got something on your toe, buddy? What you doing? Huh? Also, if you use the code TLOVE, you'll get $5 off your first subscription, and I'll put that information down below as well. Now, Wyatt's checking out the tea. Smells good, huh? Meanwhile, I'm going to get back to enjoying my apple streusel, which was amazing. I love this. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, love it if you give it a thumbs up. Hang out for the long haul. Hit that subscribe before you go. Do comment down below. And until next time, bye-bye, everybody.